The pyramids of Egypt are one of the most magnificent and enigmatic structures in the world. These monumental constructions, built during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt, continue to captivate our imagination and fascination with their grandeur, complexity, and cultural significance. The pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts, and were believed to be the gateway to the afterlife. The most famous of these pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza, which stands as a testament to the incredible engineering and architectural skills of the ancient Egyptians. In this article, we will explore the construction of the pyramids of Egypt, with a particular focus on the Great Pyramid of Giza. Historical context. The construction of the pyramids in ancient Egypt began during the 26th century BCE, during the reign of the 3rd dynasty pharaoh, Djoser. Djoser commissioned the construction of the first pyramid, known as the Step Pyramid, which was designed by his chief architect, Imhotep. The Step Pyramid was a revolutionary structure, consisting of 6 mastabas, rectangular structures with sloping sides, stacked on top of each other, with the topmost mastaba being the smallest. This structure served as a prototype for future pyramid construction, and its design would be refined and improved upon by later pharaohs. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza began during the reign of the 4th dynasty pharaoh, Khufu, in the 26th century BCE. The Great Pyramid was the largest and most complex of all the pyramids, and remains the largest freestanding structure in the world. The construction of the Great Pyramid was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of tens of thousands of workers over a period of several decades. Design and architecture. The design of the Great Pyramid of Giza is a testament to the incredible engineering and architectural skills of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramid is a perfectly symmetrical structure, with a square base measuring 230.4 meters on each side, and a height of 147 meters. The pyramid is composed of over 2.3 million blocks of limestone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. The blocks were quarried from nearby sources and transported to the construction site using a variety of techniques, including sledges, rollers, and boats. The interior of the pyramid is composed of a series of chambers and passages, designed to facilitate the journey of the pharaoh's soul to the afterlife. The entrance to the pyramid is located on the north face, and leads to a descending passage that extends for over 100 meters before reaching the subterranean chamber. This chamber was carved out of the bedrock, and was intended to serve as the burial chamber for the pharaoh's body. However, Khufu was ultimately buried in a separate chamber located higher up in the pyramid. The ascending passage of the pyramid leads to the Grand Gallery, a sloping corridor lined with huge blocks of limestone. The Grand Gallery measures over 47 meters in length, and leads to the King's Chamber, the largest chamber in the pyramid. The King's Chamber is composed of massive blocks of granite, and contains a sarcophagus that was intended to house the pharaoh's body. Construction techniques. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of tens of thousands of workers over a period of several decades. The ancient Egyptians employed a variety of techniques to transport, shape, and place the blocks of limestone that make up the pyramid. One of the most impressive techniques used by the ancient Egyptians was the use of ramps to transport the blocks of limestone to the construction site.